what to expect for punch list. And since this was such an extravagant project, we've got a ton of detail to punch in. And that's typically what punch out is. When the grand production is going on, there are some fine details that are just not taken care of. We take care of that on punch out. That's where I really come into play, because that could make the difference between quality and non-quality. So I come in, I punch in those fine details, and then this is the point where we bring the customer in and let them start pointing a finger. Hey, don't forget this, or I noticed this. It gives me an opportunity to explain some things. It also gives the homeowner an opportunity to set expectations with me, so that when they do move in this house, it is exactly how they want it to be. That's our ultimate goal here. You know, these folks are the ones that open the door every day. So when they open that door, I personally want them to just love what we've done. This can be quite an undertaking. There's a lot of ups and downs in a project this size. So at the end of it, that's what I want to leave my customer with, is just that full satisfaction. It was worth it feeling.